So, in terms of the language, what advice would you give others, especially younger people, who either don't know the language at all or can understand but not able to speak Garifuna? What would be your advice to them on how they can learn the language?
It is not only the younger people that have to be involved in this effort. There are a series of things that must be done. One, I like what Gulisi is doing, teach a language to the kids in the schools from they're very young. That's one we must do. And the parents must reinforce the language when the kids come home. Um, Language have various components. There's the written part, there's the speaking part, there's the grammar part, there's the comprehension part. Now, when Garifuna people talk about Garifuna language, they only talk about the speaking of the language. But I'm a strong advocate to say that we need to address all the problems that we have with the Garifuna language, which is the written, the spoken, the grammar, and everything else that makes up the language components. Another thing I think that we need to do is to form International Garifuna Language Institute, IGLIS,